Today we're going to learn the indefinite integral of powers. And the way to find that out is by using the reverse power rule. So let's say you have the derivative of x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1. So then that will equal, according to the power rule of derivatives, you have n plus 1 multiplied x multiplied by the quantity n plus 1. Since if you multiply any number in any order, it'll equal the same product over n plus 1. So you know that n plus 1 over n plus 1 is 1, so these cancel out because you're multiplying x by 1, and that's x. And then you still have x to the n because this exponent is still there. So what happens if you take the antiderivative of x to the n? Then that will equal this expression right here, x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1, and plus c. The c is a constant, and since if you learn like derivatives, you know that the derivative of a constant is 0 because it doesn't change with the variable. A constant isn't a variable. Let's try an example. Let's say you have the indefinite integral of x to the 10th power. So this will equal x to the 11th power over 11. Now let's try one more example. X to the 20th power, actually x to the 99th power, the indefinite integral of x to the 99th power will equal x to the 100th power over 100. Now you can keep practicing this and then you can really understand this. First start with the positive numbers, then move on to the negatives and fractions. That's all for today. Bye.